Utah's I-80 mountain corridor is a critical freight and travel route, but winter weather creates major safety and mobility challenges. Chain-up areas and traction enforcement provide safe, accessible spaces for commercial drivers to install chains, reducing roadside hazards, improving compliance, and preventing crashes or closures. Supporting proper chain-up practices protects drivers and infrastructure while keeping this vital corridor open and reliable during severe weather. On the I-80 mountain corridor, traction laws are undermined by limited enforcement and poorly designed chain-up areas. Many sites are undersized or poorly located, while weak enforcement allows drivers to bypass requirements, creating safety hazards and costly delays. Expanding and better placing chain-up areas combined with stronger enforcement would improve compliance, reduce incidents, and keep traffic moving safely. As seen in the images below, the eastbound I-80 route going into Parley's Canyon provides little notice to drivers about the chain-up area, as signs are only posted a half-mile before this area. Giving drivers more advanced warning and having better signage will allow drivers ample time to safely move to the right lane and utilize the chain-up area. Another problem with this location is that the exit to access the chain-up area is approximately 250 yards, with barriers distinguishing it from the main route. This creates a safety hazard as drivers are unable to make safe decisions to use this area. Across the U.S., winter traction compliance is managed through infrastructure, signage, and enforcement. States invest in chain-up areas, pullouts, and staging zones to give drivers safe spaces to install chains. Permanent and dynamic signage provide advance notice and direct drivers to these locations. Enforcement is equally critical, with patrols monitoring chain stations and issuing steep fines, such as Colorado's $1,000 penalty for noncompliance. Together, these strategies improve compliance, reduce crashes and closures, and keep traffic moving during severe winter weather. On Utah's I-80 corridor, traction compliance hinges on infrastructure, signage, and enforcement. States like Colorado and Washington use large, well-placed chain-up areas and patrol enforcement with steep fines, while Oregon employs dynamic signage for real-time traction updates. Utah, by contrast, has limited facilities, static signage, and less consistent enforcement. Strengthening these three areas would improve safety, reduce closures, and keep traffic moving on this vital corridor.